Indigo Suite room tour. Make sure the door don't slam. Failed at that. All right, so Indigo Suite room tour. Very nice bathroom. You pile all our stuff up on one side, make it a little bit easier for them. You know what I'm saying? We're trying not to be too much of a burden around this piece. That shower bench. Spectacular view of Dolphin Key from, you know, bathtub. As well as looking out over the bridge. Obviously, that's just a water closet. I'm not gonna show you what a toilet looks like because you should know. Here's the closet. Oh, and look, another spectacular view of Dolphin Key and the resort and other stuff. Now they're gonna give you these bottles. They do not have, at least not right now, as of May 2021, any bottled water that they provide. They give you these canisters that you can fill up at filtered water stations throughout the resort. Quick note / warning that the water does have kind of a little odd taste to it. To me, it tastes like Alka-Seltzer. My wife said it tastes like sewage. I'm not sure. There's some clean tasting sewage, I guess. All right, you can see kind of the little bit of the lazy river, a little bit more of the Royal. In that section, little seating area. My ladies out here enjoying the balcony with a tremendous view of Cove Beach. You could also see a lot of aquaventure. That is Bath's Colony. Just an amazing view overall, man. So I highly recommend getting one of these rooms that do so.